LCL is an electronics manufacturer that is now been going for 19 years in the electronics field. We are one of the leaders in the field in modern electronic assembly. The machinery we have downstairs is state-of-the-art, can place something like 4,000 items per minute if the machine is really turned up to full speed. The AOI machine, which is the automatic inspection, again, that's a final inspection to make sure that the part is on correctly, in the correct place, on the correct way. The reliability of the LEDs is the actual temperature that they run through the oven. This temperature has to be maintained at all times, so giving you a reliable product at the end of the day. So you've got the peace of mind that it shouldn't fail in the field in 6 months or 12 months' time because it has been properly assembled.